Another day unfolding bright. Used to chase the horizon, living in the fading light. From Kingston town to Nairobi's beat, I seen the world go round. But lately, brother, a new feeling I found. My heart, it's a whispering, a gentle, steady sound, saying it's time, my brother, plant my feet on solid ground. Oh, I'm ready to settle down, no more running wild and free. Found a love so true, a sweet destiny. Ready to build a future, strong and firm, you'll see, with a queen by my side for all eternity. Ready to settle down, let the good vibes flow. Watch our garden grow, watch our love glow. Used to be the life of the party, dancing till the morning dew, flirting with the ladies, always something new. But then you walked in like a blessing from above. Show me the meaning of true and righteous love. No more empty promises, no more games to play, just honest intentions, come on. Oh, I'm ready to settle down, no more running wild and free. Found a love so true, a sweet destiny. Ready to build a future, strong and firm, you see, with a queen by my side for all eternity. Ready to settle down, watch our garden grow, watch our love grow. Some say I'm crazy to give up the bachelor's life, but they don't know the peace, the joy, the end of all the strife. This ain't no surrender, it's a conscious choice I make, for a love that's pure, for goodness gracious sake. From the roots of my being, this decision I embrace, to find my true home in your warm and loving space. Oh, I'm ready to settle down, no more running wild and free. Found a love so true, a sweet destiny. Ready to build a future, strong and firm, you see, with a queen by my side for all eternity. Ready to settle down, let the good vibes flow. Watch our garden grow, watch our love glow. Yeah, ready to settle down, with you by my side. No more hiding, no more running, nowhere to hide. Just your love, your joy, your reggae vibe. Ready to settle down, let our spirits thrive.